Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to work more on identifying our coins and counting sets of coins. To get us started, we are going to look at our learning target. Our learning targets today are I can identify coins and their values, and I can count like sets of coins. Remember, like sets of coins means that all the coins together are the same kind of coin. Today, we are going to have a review of our coins. I'm going to share my screen and you are welcome to sing along. Make sure that you're looking carefully at the coins and how much they're worth.
Penny, nickel, dime, quarter. Let's learn. Penny, nickel, dime, quarter. Let's learn. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. What's
Get ready,
it worth?
guys.
How much is a penny? 1 cent. How much is a nickel? 5 cents. How much is a dime? 10 cents. How much is a quarter? 25 cents. How much is a penny? 1 cent. How much is a nickel? 5 cents. How much is a dime? 10 cents. How much is a quarter? 25 cents. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. What's it worth? How much is a penny? 1 cent. How much is a nickel? 5 cents. How much is a dime? 10 cents. How much is a quarter? 25 cents. How much is a penny? 1 cent. How much is a nickel? 5 cents. How much is a dime? 10 cents. How much is a quarter? 25 cents. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. Here is a penny, and this is what it looks like.
Penny, penny,
A penny is worth.
1 cent,
A penny is worth.
1 cent,
Here is a nickel, and this is what it looks like.
nickel, nickel,
A nickel is worth.
5 cents,
A nickel is worth.
5 cents,
Here is a dime, and this is what it looks like.
dime, dime,
A dime is worth.
10 cents,
A dime is worth.
10 cents,
Here is a quarter, and this is what it looks like.
quarter, quarter,
A quarter is worth.
25 cents,
A quarter is worth.
25 cents,
Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it.
That was a great review, guys. So remember, we don't want to get our coins mixed up. So let's look at them again. We've got our penny that's worth 1 cent, and we count that by ones. We've got our nickel that's worth 5 cents, and we count that by fives. We've got our dime that's worth 10 cents, and we count that by tens. And then remember, yesterday we learned a special chant that's going to help us with our quarters. We know that 1 quarter is 25. Let's go ahead and think about that chant that we learned. 25, 50, 75, a dollar. And remember, a dollar is 100 cents. Let's try that again. 25, 50, 75, a dollar. So that means that 1 quarter is worth 25, 2 quarters are worth 50, 3 quarters are 75, And 4 quarters is 100 cents. Let's go ahead and practice our counting our coins today. What you're going to need is your whiteboard or your marker and a paper and pencil. You are going to be looking at some coins with me, and we are going to practice counting like sets of coins. Go ahead and pause your video and make sure that you have all your materials ready. All right, mathematicians, I'm going to share my screen with you so that you can see the coins much closer. That way it'll help you when you're counting. After I display some coins, I'm going to ask you to, on your whiteboard or your piece of paper, tell me how much is it worth. But one thing to always remember, guys, don't forget your cent sign. After you write the amount, put your cent sign afterwards. All right, let's get started. Sorry guys, we had a technical difficulty. Now let's get started. All right, so I'm going to show you this first set of coins. What kind of coin do you see? That's right, these are pennies. And we know that we count pennies by ones. Take a moment, press pause, and tell me how much money do we have on this card? How did you do? Let's go ahead and count that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that means that there are 13 pennies, and since we count that by ones, it would be 13 cents. Great job, guys. Let's try the next one. Look carefully at this next coin. What kind of coin is it? That's right, it's a dime. And we know that dimes are worth 10 cents. So we are going to count our dimes by tens. Pause the video, count your amount, write it down, and then hit play. Great thinking. I heard a lot of great thinkers out there counting by tens. Let's go ahead and do that one together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. There are 7 dimes, and if I count them by tens, I end up at 70 cents. Wonderful thinking. Let's try this next one. What kind of coin do you see? Great, it is a quarter, and we know that 1 quarter is worth 25. Remember our chant, 25, 50, 75, $1. Using what you know on your whiteboard or your paper, write down how much money is shown here. Press pause, and when you're ready, hit play. Great thinking, guys. So if I look, I have 25, 50, 75. And I know that because I can think about my 4 fingers. 25, 50, 75. So 3 quarters is worth 75 cents. 25, 50, 75. Great job. Get ready for your next one. What kind of coin do you see here? That's right, this one is a nickel. I know it's a nickel because I see Thomas Jefferson and I also see the building Monticello. I also noticed that this coin is smaller than this coin. This is our quarter, so this must be our nickels. What do we count nickels by? That's right, we count them by fives. So using your thinking and your counting skills by fives, write down how much money is shown here. Hit pause and then hit play when you're ready. Great job, guys. So I'm going to count with you. Let's go ahead and count that together. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So we have 60 cents. If I look at all the nickels and I count them by fives, then I will have 60 cents. Great job. Look at this image. What coin do you see here? That's right, these are quarters. We have 2 quarters. We know that 1 quarter is 25 cents. What would 2 quarters be? Write that on your board. Great thinking, guys. I know that 1 quarter is 25. What would 2 quarters be? I'm thinking back to my chant that I learned. 25, 50, 75, $1. Now I know there's only 2 quarters, so I'm going to stop after the number 2. 25, 50. So how much are 2 quarters worth? That's right, they're worth 50 cents. 2 quarters are worth 50 cents. Let's try another one. What coin do you see in this picture? Those are pennies, and we know that we count pennies by ones. Go ahead and practice that. Hit pause, and then when you're ready, hit play. Wonderful counting. Let's count that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 pennies, and I know that I count them by ones, so that must mean that there are 10 cents. Great job, mathematicians. I have a new coin. What is this coin? Look carefully. That's right, these are nickels. And what do we count nickels by? We count them by fives. Great. Take your time, count by fives, and then write your answer on your paper or your board. How much is shown here? Hit pause and then hit play when you're ready. Wonderful job. Now, let's count that together to make sure. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So we have 35 cents. If I start here and I count by fives, I'll end up with 35. Let's do that again. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Wonderful job. What about this coin? I noticed that this coin is a little bit smaller than our last coin, and it has a different person. What kind of coin could this be if it's smaller than our nickel? That's right, this is a dime. We know that dimes are worth 10 cents. So we're going to count these by tens. When you're ready, write your answer on your paper. Great job, mathematicians. Let's go ahead and count these by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. There are 5 dimes, and if I count them by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, then I have 50 cents. Y'all are doing great with your counting today. Let's try another. Here we have quarters. There are 4 quarters. I'm thinking back. 25, 50, 75, $1. How much are 4 quarters worth? Write down what you think that answer is. Hit play when you're ready. Let's count that together, shall we? I know that there are 4 quarters and each quarter is worth 25. So I'm going to say my chant as I move the cursor around as well. 25, 50, 75, $1. So how much are 4 quarters worth? That's right, it's worth $1. Do you remember how many cents $1 is worth? 25, 50, 75, $1. If you said 100 cents, you are correct. 4 quarters are worth 100 cents, which is $1. Great thinking. Oh, we have one more. How much is shown on this paper? Wonderful thinking, guys. This is 1 quarter. So if I think, I know that 1 quarter is worth 25 cents. Great job. What about this one? This is a different coin. It's smaller than the rest. I see that Roosevelt is on the head side and a torch is on the back. What kind of coin is shown? That's right, these are dimes. And we know that dimes are worth 10 cents each. Go ahead, pause the video, and write down how much money is on this card. Hit play when you're ready. Great job, guys. Let's go ahead and count that together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. There were 8 dimes, so it would be 80 cents. I know that there are 8 coins total on the page. However, each coin is worth a different amount. So think about what the coin is worth. If this is worth 10 cents, then I must count these by tens to figure out the total. Let's try this last one. What coin is shown? That's right, these are pennies, and pennies are worth 1 cent. On your paper or your board, tell me how much money is shown here. And don't forget your cent sign. That's right, guys. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 pennies, and each penny is worth 1 cent. So that means there are 9 cents shown. You guys did a great job today with your counting. Make sure that you pay attention to what coin is being shown and the value of that coin. I know that dimes are worth 10, so even though there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dimes shown, it's not 6 cents because I would count it by tens. I know that a quarter is worth 25 cents, so even though there's only 2 of them, their value is a different amount. So I have to count it by their value. Same thing with nickels. I know nickels are worth 5 cents each. There are 5 nickels here, but that's not 5 cents because nickels are worth 5 cents. So I have to count them by their value, which is 5 cents each. So you count them by fives. Great job, guys. We met our learning target of identifying our coins and their values and counting like sets of coins. I will see you next time.